Alright guys, aspiring meteorologist Aiden Patterson here, and today is Sunday, May 30th, 2021 at 1:44 p.m. And we have a severe thunderstorm watch to look at. It is Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 225. So, here we go. Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 225 is in effect until 6 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following Colorado counties: Baca, Crawley, and Los Alamos. Ben, Custer, and Altro, I think is how you say it. And the third list, we have Costilla, I think is how you pronounce it, Costilla, Hufano, and Pueblo. However, you're supposed to say that. In the following Mexico counties: Chaves, De Baca, Lincoln, Roosevelt, and Teos. Next list is Colfax, Guadalupe, Mora, Santa Fe, and Torrance. And the last list is Curry, Harding, Quay, San Miguel, and Union. So you guys are under a severe thunderstorm watch until 6 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time this evening. So that means that you should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, or television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. So stay safe out there, and